Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize affiliate marketing compliance with FTC disclosures, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, understand the importance of FTC guidelines in affiliate marketing. Review the Federal Trade Commission's official website for the latest regulations. Familiarize yourself with the definition of affiliate marketing and how it works. Determine whether your content is considered paid advertising or endorsements. Make a list of all the affiliate products or services you promote. Identify the platforms where you'll be sharing your affiliate links. Decide how you will disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. Use clear and conspicuous language in your disclosures. Consider using phrases like "I may earn a commission" or "affiliate links" in your content. Place your disclosures at the beginning of your content for clarity. Ensure that your audience can easily find and understand the disclosure. Be honest about your relationship with the brands you promote. Avoid vague terms that might confuse your audience regarding your affiliate status. Regularly review your content to ensure compliance with FTC guidelines. Monitor any updates from the FTC related to affiliate marketing regulations. Educate your audience on what affiliate marketing is if they are unfamiliar. Maintain transparency to build trust with your audience. Use disclaimers in both written and verbal forms for consistent messaging. Consider using disclaimers on your social media posts alongside links. If using visual content, display the disclosure prominently on the screen. Remember that disclosures must be made in all relevant formats, including videos and blog posts. Stay informed about specific industry standards or additional regulations. Review any provided resources or templates for compliance in your niche. Keep documentation of your disclosures for future reference if needed. Engage with your audience to answer any questions about affiliate promotions. Finally, continue learning about best practices in affiliate marketing compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.